Whoa. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
All right.
Hey guys, how you doing? Whoa.
Whoa. Be careful.
Whoa.
Are you ready for a windy fall? Are you
Okay. It's just a little bit windy.
Hi everyone, welcome to What's for Dinner. My name is Gordo and this is my dad.
Hello, everybody.
He was a chef and restaurant owner for more than 20 years and he's here to teach us how to cook simple Chinese dishes at home. So if you want to learn more Chinese recipes, please like and subscribe to our channel. Anyways, today we're making Hunan tofu.
Yes, yummy.
This is a delicious tofu dish that I highly recommend trying at home, especially if you enjoy tofu. To get started, you'll need leeks, chili oil, preserved black beans with ginger, tofu, sugar, red bell pepper, garlic, meatballs, pepper, sesame oil, supreme soy sauce, cooking wine, and chicken flavoring. To get started on the prep, wash the leeks thoroughly as they can hold a lot of sand, and then grab a few leaves and then just cut them into 1-inch pieces. Then finally chop up 3 cloves of garlic. Then for the red bell pepper, you'll just need to cut half of a small one and then cut that into tiny pieces as well. And finally for the tofu, you'll just need to take it out of the package and then cut it in half, and then cut each half into halves. And then cut through the middle in half, and then lastly cut them into chunks 4 times. Alright, do it to the second package, and now let's get cooking. Alright, to start off cooking, we'll need to heat up the pan or wok to add some oil to it. Wait for the oil to also heat up and then add in your garlic and mix it around until fragrant, and then add in your meatballs. Make sure to get some color all around the meatballs, and then add in 2 small spoons of black beans. And then you add your leeks in there and mix everything around. Once you mix everything together, add in your tofu in there. And mix all the ingredients together. Then you're gonna add in 1 spoon of chicken flavoring, 2 spoons of sugar, 2 spoons of soy sauce, and 1.5 spoons of cooking wine in there, and then toss everything together. Then you're going to add a splash of water in there and cover it up and allow it to cook for about 3 minutes. Then you're going to check the seasoning to see if it needs more soy sauce and if the flavor is to your tasting. Then you're going to add some cornstarch and water mixture to thicken up the sauce, and then lastly, add in your red bell peppers in there and add a small swig of sesame oil in there, and you're done. Pour it over your clay pot and add some chili oil on top, and it's ready to serve. I hope you all enjoy.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Alright.
Hey guys, how you doing? Whoa, be careful, be careful. Whoa.
Are you ready for windy fall?
I'm ready. It's just a little bit windy.
Well, here's some Hunan tofu.
We did either fast
warm
before.
you up.
Yeah, you guys fast before it gets cold.